we are just waiting for this boat. 5 minutes, for just 5 minutes, and then we can enjoy the sailing over here. I will show you guys the cruise. This one. That one. And then there's some show over there, and then the buffet. The buffet show. There's a belly dancing over there also, and then there's a limited food to enjoy. Free. Ano yan eh, may free siya na foods. And then, yeah. We're waiting here. Yan. 5 minutes more, and then we can enjoy the sailing. I am sailing. I am sailing through the dark night. With my friends Jam. Welcome to Stars. We're enjoying. We need to one since it's holiday today. We have 5 days. I don't want to show that gay face because you know it's not allowed here. So since we have 5 days holiday, so we are here to unwind. This is life Dubai. This is Dubai life. Enjoy, relax. Okay, I will show you there the sea, the sunset. Hold on. See the beautiful sunset over there. There's a small boat over there. See? Wow. And then later we cross over there going to the gold sock. Okay. Let's try to sit also there. Come here. Jump. We experience to sit over here. Wow, oh my god. So cool. Woo! Hello. Hi. Wow. We're a tourist here in Dubai. We just only 5 days holiday, so what we can do just to relax, enjoy our life. Hello mga kalabisaya. Hope you enjoy your 5 days holiday too. Oh my god, see at my back the deep blue sea. So I need to be careful to sit over here or else Rosalia is gone. Oh my god, mga kalab ni Rosalia. Don't let Rosalia gone. Okay, I think they will start to accept to enter. Okay, hold on mga friends. Yes, we're here. We want to go outside. Sorry? Yes, we're here inside the cruise. Wow. Let's go upstairs, mga kalab ni Rosalia. Okay, hello, hi. Mabuti. Yeah, see? This is the scene outside the cruise. Okay, show the ticket. Okay. Wow. This is. Can you sit over there?
I am saltable this resort.
Well, just only 2. Okay. Thank you. So this is our seat. So this is Jam is over there, and then okay. Let me show you guys. Now we're here. Wow, this is life. This is Dubai life that you can enjoy in your whole life. See? Oh my god. How beautiful it is. Wow. The beautiful sunset over there. Whoa. Yo. I will show you the ayan. Yan. Para makita nyo na kahit wala kayo sa Dubai, so makikita nyo yung kagandahan ng Dubai. So that's it. Small boat over there. think sa baba yung ano, yung belly dancing, and then ano pa mga yung isa, jam? Meron pa, but there's a two show. So yeah, small boat. They're coming so close to us. Whoa, hello over there. Wow, really, this is Dubai is really beautiful. You can enjoy your life here in Dubai. Wow, look at there's so many birds over there. Wow, but I cannot zoom. So there's so many birds, but I cannot see in my view. Whoa, hope you guys that you can see that. Oh, ayan ang daming ibon. Grabe. Yan, tingnan nyo. Wow. It's about to sail. So, how many minutes? Ilang minutes na lang, Jam? 2 minutes more. 1 minute more. We need to count down. Wow. Oh my God. See, ang daming ibon. Ayun. Which is nakaka-relax sa ating mga mata. Ayan. Wow. Still waiting to sail until now. I don't know what they are waiting for. See. Wow. Ang ganda ng langit. Makulay. Makulay ang buhay. Yan. Ang ganda na kasi kumagabi na siya. Kaya, ayan na. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan. Ang kagandahan ng, ano to, Dera, diba? Ano, Jam? Dera. And then yung sa kabila is Al-Fahidi. Tama ba? Ha? Al-Fahidi. Wow. O, tingnan mo. Wow. Ang ganda niya paggabi. My God. So stunning. Wow. Awesome. So beautiful. Ayan. Si beautiful Jam. Yan, tingnan nyo, grabe, ang ganda. Wow, makulay ang kanyang buhay talaga. My gosh. Wow. Actually, yung cross namin is ganyan, mas malaki pa siya, I think so. Kaya lang, yun nga, hanggang ngayon nag-aantay pa kami ng mga pasahero. Ganun yung pasahero yun. Okay. So, ayan. Nagsisail na. So, we're going sailing. Ayan. I am sailing. We're sailing, actually. Ayan. So, we sail for 2 hours. And then, manonood kami ng belly dancing dan, at saka yung isa hindi ko alam ko yun, and then dinner cruise. Ayan, so umiikot na po siya, umiikot yung ano. Ayan ang background niya. Hindi ko dapat may sound sila. It's so romantic crossing. Oh my gosh. Wow. See? With a romantic song and a stunning night there. So, this is it. It's really, you can unwind here totally 100%. Wow. We're selling already. Ayan, umiikot po siya. Umiikot siya. So kung magbibisita kayo dito sa Dubai, marami kayong pwedeng gawin. Isa na to yung to dinner cruise na talagang nakaka-relax siya.
Dapat patayin ko agad to kasi may resort.
So, ayan. Okay, now we are here in the middle of the sea. Small boat is over there. There's a lot. Actually, there's so much over there. See? Ayan, ang daming maliliit na bangka. Ayun, yun. Ayan, pwede ka diyang mag-solo.
Saan?
Diyan sa bangka na maliliit na yan. Pwede kang mag-solo dyan. Ayan. Tapos ikot-ikot ka niyan hanggang sa mahilo ka. Joke lang yun ha. Hindi ka naman niya ihiluin. I-relax lang yung buhay mo. Actually, yun lang yun. Chick to chick. Just you and me. Wow. Ayan. So, bali, malapit na kami yung nasa gitna ng dagat. Ayun. Ang cute talaga. Ang ganda ng mga maliliit na bangka. Tingnan mo. Pag nakita mo siya dito sa video, ang ganda niya. Ayan o, diba? Ayan. So, private to. Gusto mong mag-isa sa mundo. Ayan. Gusto mong mag-emote doon. Kadyan ka sa mga ano. Ito kasi, ano siya, pang maramihan. So,
Next time. Puno tayo.
diba? Grabe ang ganda. Kung medyo nai-stress ka, ito, pwede mo tong gawin yung ano, mag-dinner cross ka dito sa Maydera. Meron din sa Marina, meron din sa May Creek. Ayun, sa Marina, ano siya, medyo...
Sa creek pala kami pupunta.
Ayun, sa Creek meron din doon. So, dito sa Dera, pero dito sa Dera, ang dami talaga as in. Ayan, o, tingnan mo, diba? Grabe. Ayan, so since UAE today, UAE holiday, ayan. Ayan, I think mag-start na yung ano, yung so ayan, nasa kalagitnaan na kami ng dagat. Ayan siya, oh. Ang ganda niya sa kabila. Alpahidiyan mga kadano, mga kalabnor. So ayan. So ayan. Ayan. Nandito kami sa kalagitnaan ng dagat. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan. So ayan. Nandito kami ayun. Ano ba yan? May extra. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung extra. Kasi ano, doon sa makatabi ng upuan namin. Ayan.